120 kilometers from Muscat, Sawadi Beach is located near Barka. This sea beach is named as Seashell Beach. If you look along the sandy path, you are sure to get seashells of all shapes, sizes, and colors. This picturesque beach is perfect for strolling along and enjoying the soft breeze. You can also catch a glimpse of the nearby islands. If you want to explore them from proximity, then all you have to do is hire a boat and get sailing. The island beaches are a perfect place for picnic. Sawadi is renowned for its aquatic creatures and corals and is rated one of the best in the world. Sawadi introduced the snorkeling and diving in Oman. So if you are more exploratory, just dive in and capture the magical underwater world. Sawadi Beach, located in Barka, is one of magnificent beaches in Oman. The beauty of this beach is that islands that enhance the beauty of this place. As some of these islands are near the land, they make the water level decrease and enables people to walk around and come close to it and enjoy. One can walk too close to the coast, it's safe, and one can get an edge to walk into the water and go too close to these islands. This beach is one of a kind. This beach has crystal clear water, and visitors are engaged in multiple activities happening around. They have an edge to bring their cars as close as they want to. There is boating done, and this place has a park as well, where at times there are festivals arranged for the tourists. The park has different umbrella shelters made, providing an ease to the tourist and making their stay at the place worth memorable. On the other hand, there is boating done, which is simply amazing, as it takes you deep into the sea and to close to other islands that are too huge. The speedboat gives tourists a glimpse of the eye-catching view. You can get to observe small and huge islands located nearby. The view itself is mesmerizing during sunset. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.